Hey learners, welcome to the Nav Nerds video. We have seen two scenarios, the one in which the purchase order maker and the purchase order receiver are the both single identity. And in the second scenario, we have seen that the purchase order maker and the warehouse employee are two different persons, one who makes the purchase order and the second who transfer the orders to the bin. So in this video, we will see three different persons working on a same line, one who purchases the order, the one who receives the order, and the third one who will put away the order. So to do so, I will go on the location and creating a new one. Let's say code can be LM and name can be test for an example. I will turn on require receipt boolean and the require put away and the bin mandatory. The require receive for the person who will receive the orders from the vendor, and the require put away the person who transfers the orders or the products to the bins, to that bin mandatory. And in the bins I will create the one for the receive, temporary storage, and the other ones will be dedicated bins where the product will be stored. The first one will be used where the goods will be received by the warehouse employee from the vendor, and these two storage bins will be used in storing the products. So we have created our location, which is LM, and I have turned these three booleans on: the require receive, require put away, and the bin mandatory. Now we will move on to the purchase order to create some orders. And in the location code, I will choose this LM test, and I will not set the bin code because it will be set up by the warehouse employee. So release this. Now our purchase order has been released, and then we will go to the warehouse receipt. Now we'll create a new receipt for the purchase order which we have created. In the prepare get source document, and that's the one which we have created. In the bin code, you will have to select the receive as the temporary storage because the item is being delivered by the vendor and it is temporarily stored where it is received. And then post this receipt. The number of source document is posted 1 out of the total 1. Number of put away activities created 1. Now our put away receipt has been generated, that will be processed by the another employee who will responsible for the put away of the products. And now in the warehouse putaways, here's the put away. Take and the place. Take is the place where the product is delivered by the vendor, and the place will be where it will be stored, like storage 1 or the storage 2. So from here, I will register put away, and hence the process is completed. The purchasing employee creates the purchasing order, and then it is received by the second person, second employee, who will mark the warehouse receipt, and the third employee will transfer the goods from the temporary storage to the bins. And if we check in our purchase order, the quantity we have received 2, and these are the entries which has been created: the posted purchase receipt, the posted warehouse receipt line, item ledger entry, the value entry, and the warehouse entry. And let's check the item in the inventory. And here's the warehouse entries: the entry which is posted in the warehouse receipt, and the entries which is caused by the moving of the product from the receiving area to the particular bin in the storage 01. So that's how you can manage it, from the purchasing of the product to the storing in the bins. Three employees work together to get the process done. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.